This is where the Pandavas worshipped. Inside this cave at Chandravalli, we found something incredible. These Shivalingas were installed by Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava brother. Bheema worshipped here. The Lipi, what was found in the lake. But how do we know? The Hoysala inscription from 1200 AD, carved right here in this cave, confirms the Pandava connection. Here's what I kept thinking. If the Pandavas installed the Shivalingas here and worshipped regularly, they had to stay somewhere nearby. And there's another cave system right here, Ankalagi. What if that's where they actually lived? So we went to investigate. What we found inside will blow your mind. Watch part 2.